Hello everyone, and these are hacks that your hair needs. Okay, so no curling iron, but you want to have heated curls or cold curls if there is such thing. Use an rope that isn't used, and if it has dirt to it, just wash it and then put it on your hair and then curl. So you curl. I'm not using anything to my hair. I suggest you do this. And then tie it. Sorry. I'm just gonna charge. So after 30 minutes, you'll see your hair up here. It will comes through. It is right here. With the curls, and this is my hair without the curls. If you use like sprayers with waters, you can make the curl very good. Like it's gonna be curly, it's gonna be bouncy. But if you're gonna use cold water, okay, you will need 8 to 10 minutes, and if you want to use hot water, you will have, how many is it? 6 to 8 minutes. But without water, you're not gonna have a good curl. So that's my only hair. Okay, so I washed it. I'm not gonna use it, but I'm gonna make a hair tutorial later. Okay, so this is a mini video, so I hope you enjoyed. Bye!